Introducing Writing Time. Let's end your adventure. Students come to school to make their brains stronger. Your brain gets stronger when you share adventures. You can share adventures with pictures, and you can share adventures with words. Some adventures are big, like hiking a mountain, and some adventures are small, like finding a ladybug. When you tell your adventure, it has a beginning, middle, and end. These parts help you tell it in the right order. Let's review. In the beginning, share who and where the adventure starts. In the middle, share what happened. What did you do? What did you see? And in the end, share what was done last and how you felt about it. Your adventure beginning is set. You shared the where and who. You also shared middle actions and what you got to do. Now it's time for your adventure to come to an end. Think back. What happened last? And how did you feel then? Did you pack your things and then head for home? Or did you wave goodbye before you began to roam? Did you finish a craft, then clean up your space? Or did you give one last hug with a smile on your face? Did you write and draw about the day's events? Or did you buy a souvenir with dollars and cents? Did you take a long drive and fall asleep in the car? Or did you fly home on a plane which traveled so far? Tell the last event or action that occurred. Then tell the feelings that you observed. Were people proud of what you had bravely done? Or were people tired from a day filled with fun? Was someone feeling excited, elated, or glad? Maybe somebody felt worried, scared, or just sad. Help your reader understand how your adventure ends. Share the last action and how you felt back then. Now it's your turn to write. It's your turn to draw. It's your turn to remember what you saw. How did your adventure end? What action occurred last? Share how you felt when the final moments passed. Great job! Thanks for watching Kinder Romp. Hey teachers, looking for ready-to-use resources that match this video? Head over to my Teachers Pay Teachers store, Kinder Romp. Check out the link in the description below.